We're just sitting down. Okay, this is nice. We are invited. Let's go. I have hair! You don't understand. Robots don't have water, don't have hair. If I have this tiny little substance in my hair, this is not normal. I need to change it now. Boom. After the ride. Sorry that we're late. Okay, nice, Ado. You like nice, Max. Do you like your new body? No way. No way that's the same guy. A long time ago, you don't understand. I have my entire children, including this one, which is ma'am. You are literally like getting your nerves, bro. I need to kick at you. No, not for long. Nice, bro. We got the same kid for a long time ago. Really long time ago, like 15 years ago. That where his type has been missing. Now, what's stop? Cringe warning, by the way. Sorry, cringe. Sorry. That's what you get for rolling out. The end. Let's start this party, bro! Oh, what's this? Let's change up. Oh, it's me! And now, you're this so sad. What's this? Dirt gulp. Hi, what did I miss? The end. Grace, what does this potion do? It clearly says, I don't know. Sorry about that. Anyway. Huh? Oh my god, no way. Oh my god, I just literally swapped bodies with Grace. Bro, what? Luckily I have spare. Okay, don't tell me we just swapped bodies. Okay, but don't tell me we just swapped types, because I literally can clearly see you. Okay, we're never gonna do that again. 10 minutes ago. Of Of course this is a good idea. We need to find Max's body. It's been clearly 5 episodes, and I literally need to find it because I heard that someone just literally take it. Oh, what's this note? Don't try to attack. What attack? We didn't do a single time. Hey, go down there. I don't stop laughing at me that the fact that I just dropped my flashlight. Okay, so put your hands up if you clearly see me. What? What in the AI world? Oh, hey, you can be the fakes. You can be the fake Max, I swear. If you're the fake Max, I would just literally gonna use this gun. Oh my god, no way, yeah. What happened to me? Hey, what's up? It's me again. Remember me in episode 2? Oh, not you again. Are you the one who's controlling Max's body? Oh yeah, clearly see there. But luckily I have the full system controlled. Now if you excuse me, let's start. Oh no, it's like Max turned into thing, but how did you literally go to Max's body? Even though Otto is the one who goes to Max. Now I'm unstoppable. Oh, I forgot. You cannot shoot metal. Oh, what is this kind of affecting? Oh my god, it's affecting my entire system. Hey, it's got your spear. What is she doing now? Oh no, you don't. Oh, okay. Now, since I'm in my system, what is this thing doing in my system? Get out of here! Yay! Okay, what did I miss? Oh yeah, I remember this. Oh, don't you dare do that thing again. Oh my god, no way. Oh, you kidding me? See? No damage. The end. 1 minute ago. Look, I'm so bored. What should I do? And oh my god, I'm so bored. What should I do? And who is this guy texting me? Yay! Time to watch a horror movie. Oh my god, no way. Yeah. Okay, since I'm controlling this body, I can able to go there. Ugh, how did she know? How did she know? Maybe I can act normal. Hello, my name is Mio, and I'm gonna... Oh, yo, what's up? Why are you here? I don't know why, but I am feeling uncomfortable. Why are you feeling uncomfortable? I'm not gay or something, but why are you uncomfortable? What is that? No way! What just happened? Seriously, dude. We need to find a new design, and fast. Oh, nice. Since I have a person... Hey, you get out of here. You little pipsqueak. You think you can manage... You little pipsqueak. You think you can manage with me? Yo, Grace, be careful. We don't know how powerful is that. Oh no, you don't. Ah. Wait. Huh? What's going on there? Oh, nuts! First I kill her, and then next to the rest of the cat. Oh, yo. Say, where is she? The end. Okay, now next is an ordinary day, and now what should I do? What the heck? Why is she watching Paw Patrol? Now what do you want to do? You're just wasting my time while I was watching Paw Patrol with Tiffany Nutshell. My oven is my. Anyways, my house is burning. Super cringe, bro, super cringe. Oh, what was this? Red USB. Doing here, I wanna. Yes, I got a hammer. I got the last PS4. Hour later, cause I'm bored and so cringe. Nice, I got the last PS4. See ya, loser. It's like you fell to my trap. I received a gift from what? Yeet. Can somebody tell me why did I feel like I'm from Ohio? Who is this? Oh yeah, she's my new girlfriend. And don't forget, I am a boy!